It is early morning. The family is preparing for a journey to one of the coldest places on Earth.
It's 5:20 a.m. We need to wake up.
Already? I feel like I just slept.
We have a long trip today.
Mom, why is it still dark?
Because it's very early. We are going far.
Where?
To Russia.
Russia? Is that very far?
Yes, very far.
Is it cold there?
Some places are cold.
How cold?
Very, very cold.
Eat fast, kids.
Why?
We have to go to the airport.
How long is the flight?
Many hours.
Will we stop?
Yes. First Moscow, then another city.
Will there be food on the plane?
Yes.
Then I'm ready.
The family leaves their home and goes to the airport.
There are so many people.
Why is everyone walking fast?
People don't want to miss their flights.
Passports, please.
Here,
Why do we need passports?
because we are leaving the country.
Can I see the planes?
Later.
After many hours, they arrive in Moscow. Then they board another plane toward Yakutia.
This flight feels longer.
Because we are going east.
We are going to a very cold place.
Like snow?
More than snow.
Why do people live there?
We will learn that soon.
After 7 hours, they land in Yakutsk.
My face feels strange.
It's the cold air.
It hurts my nose.
That's because the air is very dry and cold.
Look at the snow.
Everything is white.
Is this the coldest place?
Not yet.
Then where are we going?
To a village called Oymyakon.
What is special about it?
It is one of the coldest places where people live.
How cold?
Around -60 degrees.
That's not real.
It is.
How do people survive?
We will find out.
They start their long road trip. The journey will take about 18 hours.
Why is the road so empty?
Not many people live here.
What if the car stops?
Don't think about that.
Cars can freeze here.
Freeze?
Yes, the engine can stop.
Like ice?
Yes,
Look at the trees.
They look dead.
they are frozen.
Everything here is frozen.
The family is getting closer to Oymyakon, the coldest inhabited place on Earth. After a long road trip, the family finally arrives in Oymyakon. It is one of the coldest places on Earth where people live.
Is this it?
Yes, this is Oymyakon.
I can't feel my face.
Cover it. Fast.
Why does my nose hurt?
Because the air is freezing.
Don't touch your skin with bare hands.
Why?
You can get frostbite.
What is frostbite?
When your skin freezes and gets damaged.
Like ice?
Yes, ice inside your skin.
I can see my breath.
It looks like smoke.
In this cold, your breath turns into tiny ice crystals.
Listen, it sounds strange.
That sound is frozen air.
My eyelashes feel hard.
Look, Dad, your eyelashes have ice.
That happens here.
Everything is quiet.
Because people don't stay outside long.
At this temperature, staying outside too long is dangerous.
How cold is it?
Today, it is minus 60 degrees.
Minus 60?
That's not real.
It is real here.
If you stay outside for 10 to 15 minutes, you can get frostbite.
What happens then?
Your skin can turn white.
White?
Yes, that means the tissue is dying.
We need to go inside.
The family enters a small wooden house. It is warm inside.
Wow, it's hot.
The difference is very big.
How big?
Inside is about 30 degrees. Outside is minus 60.
That's 90 degrees.
More than 90.
That's crazy.
How do people live here?
They use a strong heating system.
Where does the heat come from?
From a big boiler.
Like a giant heater?
Yes.
What if it stops?
Then people are in danger.
Why?
Because everything can freeze.
Even houses?
Yes.
Look at the walls.
They are very thick.
The walls have many layers.
Why?
To keep the heat inside.
The windows are thick too.
They are triple glass.
What is this room?
This is the entrance room.
Why is it cold?
This room is not heated.
Why?
People use it like a refrigerator.
A room fridge?
Yes.
Look, frozen meat.
Frozen milk?
Everything is ice.
Nature keeps it cold.
We should rest.
Outside, the temperature keeps dropping. The family is not ready for what comes next.
Can we go outside again?
Only for a short time.
Why?
Because the cold can hurt you.
In this place, if you don't move, you freeze.
Really?
Yes.
So you must always move?
Yes.
Tomorrow, we will see how people live here.
I want to see everything.
You will.
The family has arrived in one of the coldest places on Earth. Their real journey is just beginning.
The next morning, the family steps outside again. The temperature is even lower.
It's colder today.
How cold?
Minus 63.
I can't feel my cheeks.
Cover your face.
My nose is burning.
That is a bad sign.
Why?
Because frostbite can start.
What does it look like?
Your skin can turn white.
Peter, look at your nose.
What?
It's getting pale.
That means the blood is not moving.
That's scary.
If we stay outside too long, the tissue can die.
Die?
Yes, the cells freeze.
How?
Water inside the cells turns into ice.
And the ice breaks the cells.
Like a broken glass?
Yes,
I hear a strange sound.
That's your breath.
My breath?
in this cold, warm air turns into ice crystals.
It sounds like dry leaves.
Yes, many people say that.
My eyelashes feel heavy.
They have ice.
Dodd, your beard is white.
That's frozen air.
How do people work here?
They wear many layers,
How many?
sometimes 20.
20 jackets?
Not just jackets, pants, gloves, boots,
How heavy is all that?
hats, about 14 kilos.
That's heavier than my school bag.
That's heavier than me.
Even with that, it's not always enough.
My fingers hurt.
That means we must go inside.
Already?
Yes, here 10 minutes can be too long.
That's crazy.
They go back inside. Their faces are red. Their skin is burning.
My nose feels numb.
Don't rub it.
Why?
Rubbing can damage the skin.
What do people do?
They warm it slowly.
Some people use aloe.
Like plant gel?
Yes.
This place is dangerous.
Yes.
Why do people live here?
Because it's their home.
I don't want this home.
We are visitors.
For them, this is normal.
Normal?
Yes.
Tomorrow, we will see how houses work here.
I want to see everything.
In Oymyakon, the cold is not just weather. It controls life. In Oymyakon, the cold controls everything. Even houses are built in special ways.
In Oymyakon, daily life is very hard. Every small task becomes a challenge.
It's still dark.
It will stay dark for many hours.
Why?
In winter, daylight is very short here.
How short?
About 4 or 5 hours.
That's not much.
Look outside.
That lady is hanging clothes.
Why is she doing that in this cold?
She washed them.
But they will freeze.
Yes.
That's crazy.
In this place, clothes freeze in minutes.
Look, they are already hard.
Like wood.
Yes.
How do they dry them?
They bring them inside later.
Everything here is frozen.
Look at the cows.
They have ice on their hair?
These are Yakut cows.
Why are they outside?
They have to go to the river
For what?
for water.
There is no water in the house?
No pipes.
Why?
Pipes would freeze.
So how do people get water?
They take ice from the river.
Ice?
Yes, big blocks.
Then they melt it.
That's a lot of work.
Yes,
Look at the cow's hair.
It looks white.
ice forms on them fast.
The cows look slow.
The cold makes them slow.
How do animals survive?
Only special animals can.
Like what?
Yakut horses.
What is special about them?
They have thick fur.
Like big coats.
Yes,
And fat?
yes, it keeps them warm.
Can normal horses live here?
No,
I see people going to the river.
With tools?
they are cutting ice.
Why?
For water.
They cut the river?
Yes,
That sounds dangerous.
it is.
If you fall, what happens?
You can freeze very fast.
How fast?
In minutes.
That's scary.
Everything here is dangerous.
Yes,
Why do people stay?
this is their home.
I want to go back.
We are only visiting.
Tomorrow, we will see how people hunt and get food.
They hunt?
Yes,
Like in movies?
real life.
In Oymyakon, nothing is easy. Even water and food are a fight for survival.
In Oymyakon, people do not buy food from big stores. Many people hunt and fish to survive.
Why are those people walking into the forest?
They are hunters.
Hunters? Like in games?
No, real hunters.
They hunt for food.
What animals do they hunt?
Deer, rabbits, fish.
Fish? In this cold?
Yes.
But the river is frozen.
They cut the ice.
They cut the river?
Yes.
Look, they are making a hole.
The ice is very thick.
It can be more than 1 meter.
That's taller than me.
Yes.
What happens when the fish comes out?
It freezes.
The fish freezes?
Yes, in seconds.
Look, that fish is already hard.
Like a rock.
The cold is that strong.
How do they eat it?
Raw and frozen.
Raw?
Yes.
That's crazy.
They do it for vitamins.
There are no fruits here.
No apples?
No.
No bananas?
No.
Then how do they get vitamins?
From meat and fish.
I don't like that.
You don't have to eat it.
Look at that man.
He is setting a trap.
For what?
For animals.
That looks dangerous.
It is.
Why does he put snow on it?
To hide it.
So animals don't see it?
Yes.
This place is like a movie.
No, this is real life.
How long can they stay outside?
Not long.
Why?
The cold can hurt the body.
Frostbite again?
Yes.
Look at their faces.
They cover everything.
Only eyes stay open.
I can't even feel my nose.
Then we go inside.
Now?
Yes.